a little bit. Oh my gosh. Coffee talk. Now, would you say the air? How we do that? I know. I'm filming our adventures, so forgive me if I sound like a goober.
I get it.
So you like that Sawyer Squeeze though?
It's fine. The bags are worthless after a while. They'll pop on the sides.
They'll pop on the sides. You got to get a. What type of bags you recommend?
Most people that I've seen on trail use the C-Knock, which is what I'm using right now.
And does it work real well?
Yeah, it's nice because, I mean, I used the bags the first month and a half of the two that it came with.
Mm-hmm.
Both of them popped on the seams.
Ah.
It just, I mean, you gotta be gentle with them.
I'll fill this up and get out of here so you can
Get your rest, your water.
Oh yeah.
I don't need a lot.
We're just gonna eat and go, or eat and sleep.
Just wish we could have a fire.
Is there no pit up there?
No, there is, but there's apparently a
burn
that came
ban
out
right
last
now.
month. But if somebody does one, I'm not gonna say anything.
It's like, oh well, oops, darn. None of us
Which
got
is no, I
service.
mean, people hiking through, there's no way to know
No.
because you don't have cell service half the time.
The only way they would know if there's a ranger or a ridge runner.
I brought two like little candle lanterns to hopefully give a little bit of light.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll work or not, but we'll see.